Yeah, the next question is that what are prerequisites to get a job in oil and gas industry? First of all, it is better that you do a certain, if in your company there is an industrial project, if you have something, apart from buildings and commercial, or if you might be having some industrial. So those industrial project you highlight in your CV. Okay. Because oil and gas sector is nothing but it falls under the category of industrial sectors, not a commercial sector or not in a residential sector. So first and foremost, they would see whether this guy has an experience in the industrial sector. So as you keep it on the top, okay, this is a industrial project which I've done. Then next question comes to their mind that fine, but whether this guy is technically competent because there's a shortage of HVAC engineers in oil and gas. So they will always find, okay, if I'm not getting a best guy, at least I should get a guy who has an industrial HVAC kind of a knowledge, a big projects, sort of. And if your company is not into this industrial project, quit the company and join the company even on less salary, but they are giving doing the industrial project because that is the future. That is how the career is going to grow. Whether a residential sector, if you are doing commercial sector, you are doing HVAC, it's one and the same thing. Okay. So, and you know, the clients are mainly the builders and all, and they are very much focused on cost, not on quality. Okay. So, cost is always a constraint. So, the company is going to be gauged on terms of cost only. So, same way they will get money, same money they will give it to you. So that will be always a money game. So that is not good for career. Okay. Uh, Industrial sector, the real in your design knowledge and all comes for test. Okay. Because client is tough, he's expecting processes to run very good. So they are very much quality focused and they are ready to spend the money. Okay. Unlike the other sectors. So focus on the industrial sector there and make sure that you have a very sound fundamentals in your subject. So just make your fundamentals strong and make sure that the industrial projects are highlighted in your CV and then start applying to the companies who have the vacancies. But make sure that you're at least 5 to 6 years experience, HVAC experience you should have before applying to the oil and gas sector. Minimum 5 to 6 years because they won't entertain freshers and this oil and gas industry is very particular on certain aspects. So this is my advice to you or those who wish to make the career in oil and gas sector.